Hello, today I review p1.4 of book A Girl on a Motorcycle. Kenny. Kenny is going across America by bus. He arrives in a little town in California and stays in a motel. He stays there in one night. Tomorrow, he is getting on a bus to San Francisco. In another development in Los Angeles, there have got a robbery outside a supermarket. The robber takes the money of a security guard, then escapes. But the camera is taking pictures. The supermarket managers The supermarket manager phones the police. He describes the robber has got long blonde hair with a motorcycle. He doesn't know that is a girl or a man. Come back to the little town in California. It's far from Los Angeles, 50 kilometers. Kenny comes down to it. He sees a girl arrive on a motorcycle. He feels he knows her face. See you next day. Goodbye.